without the protractor, find the value of x in each of the following. So we will solve this one first. So the value of x. So from the theorem of parallel lines with a line transversing or cutting through it, we can say that this angle here is 180 degrees, and this 130 degrees is supplementary to this angle x here. So their total is equal to 180 degrees. We will write that one. So the measure of angle x plus 130 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. So the measure of angle x here is equal to 180 degrees minus 180 degrees. So our x equal to 50 degrees. Next, this one, find the value of x. So if we have an angle here, let's say A, so this angle is supplementary to this angle here, x. So we can write that the measure of angle A plus the measure of angle x is equal to 180 degrees. But we need to find the value or the measure of angle A first. So from here, let's write this one first. Minus the measure of angle A. So let's find the value of angle A. So we knew that the total or the sum of the angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degrees. So the measure of angle A plus 80 degrees plus 82 degrees, this two here, is equal to 180 degrees. So from this, we can have the measure of angle A is equal to 180 degrees minus 80 minus 82. So the measure of angle A is equal to, it's the value 18 degrees. So we can write this one here, or we can find the value of x here minus 18 because we know the value of A here. So the measure of angle x is equal to 162 degrees. Let's solve the other two. This one first. So find the value of x. So a quadrilateral is a two triangle. This is a two triangle. So the total or the sum of their angles is equal to 180 degrees plus 180 degrees. So their total is equal to 360 degrees. From here, we can say, or we can write that the measure of angle x plus these three angles, 95 degrees plus 60 degrees plus 100 degrees is equal to 360 degrees. And from this, we can have the value of angle x that is equal to 160 degrees minus 95 minus 60 minus 100. And our x is simply equal to 105 degrees. And lastly, this one, you need to find the value of x. It says that this figure here is a parallelogram. So meaning this side here and here are parallel, and this one also are parallel. So we can say that the measure of angle x plus 83 degrees is equal to 180 degrees, meaning these two angles here are supplementary. So we can have our value of x minus, so the measure of our angle x, or the value of x, is equal to 97 degrees. Thank you.